La kukuwa na tai.
Mbona wako na tushida tudogo?
Sasa hizo ndo shida zao.
Wako na tushida peti?
Kujeni internship Meru.
I agree. Na nontonda hivi renye RUTO neti Tharakanithi most probably next week maybe adhirania Meru ni kama hata rudi anaenda Tharakanithi. Tharakanithi be our guest today, tomorrow and Saturday.
Lakini jamaa anatanga ya ukweli.
Hiyo jina tanga it's been a while. Anasonga. Si lazima tena unajua ile nyumba kubwa tena itengenezwe, lazima azunguke namna hii. Anyway, mbere tuambiria kwariria Ndiunga ya Rais William RUTO muthikiria heria kwirigirwa kwambiria ntuko na NARUA ndene account ya Meru mu biashara ni kwenda muno kwithirwa nkiarie na agwe nkwire atiri nikino ntute na M-Pesa business till arania nani 40188 niyo namba ya SMS na kethira we nayo mba kwirwa ikigutethia atia mu biashara ketha ni bikibiki we niyo kethira ikibando kwende kethira ismuki unazungusha ama mayai ama melo na yani biashara yoyote ile no batere kwithirwa we na M-Pesa business till no ntu number ugache manager customer jani kana matu barabate kama taambecha akuri uko na M-Pesa. Sasa kama una M-Pesa utampatia inconvenience mingi sana akwiretiana ne ono ntoni ntinambi ntina cash tigera we na tili kumuthikiria na gwatu iko tinio itakire M-Pesa for business.co.ke muthikire ndene andaika 10 or less ukethera we na till number kuna umenye boge tumi we na till number. Ukitaka kulipa supplier unatumia hiyo till, ukitaka kulipa bill za stima ama zingine unatumia till, wenda kugura airtime ugatumira till yeu, wenda kinya kujoge kaloni ngakukiria biashara ekunkoroki unaenda tu pale kwa till na kinya mbeche chia kutia kwende chi restricted na ntuenda inya iwo we transfer kire M-Pesa nenda ika seconds we na chuthi muone kana kinya banki ne kuko please tafadhali tigira we na M-Pesa business till no ntontu kuiji ne form actually sijui kuna mtu najua hata kama saa hii mimi sina hata 10 bob cash.
Ai kinyao ni mimi hata nikande sahau pesa.
Ulisahau pesa inakaaje kabisa till ndio kusema mbio
huko kwa M-Pesa.
Exactly.
Dhaijiri kirokete ndege 15 mudhikiria. Very good morning, karibu sana kiri mubango ya Chanchamuka Ntuba TV. Good morning, karibuni sana kiri mubango ya kukia hadi kwa Weru FM 96.4 na rukirwa na NARUA kiri mubango ya Chanchamuka tu na Mr. Eric Kimathi ni mudhuji wa mantu ya kisiasa. Ruari Eric Kenya 1 ako 012 tumefikiwa na ontwa yete Meru. So much is happening. First of all unkwira karimi rukirwa euro Governor Njoki na aratongererie abunge ba county amwana senator na women rep of course kiri ikarokira barari na president yarone Rais Nairobi kiri ikaroke Governor Njoki updated na uwa yurari muchamano yo kwariria weti na mbere na mirandi ya county ya Tharakanithi. Of course tukirira akiuma Meru no mwanka somehow akilukira Tharakanithi kana eta Tharakanithi kinyabo. So Tharakanithi bokapa kubanga mantu prior na bae amwe. What is happening in Meru? Meru president ejete atongere baba ratirimanire bawa sisi governor ni sisi tumeita president.
Si governor.
Governor kinyate kumenya maybe nyanende to mwira president nejete.
Na nukuona baba atigite political differences chia our side.
Yeah. Of course back nyabo by na interest yoche 2027. Nonto wabunge bonde bo bana iba kwende tegeki ya governor. Mara wagetharaka wachuke gamba ngombe na women rep bonde iba kwende tegeki ya governor 2027. You know? Yeah. Meru utemo bunge ora declare na kwende tikia governor. Lakini ile vita tuko nayo bro.
Wow, Martin, that's tough one, eh? Roki company.
Turogere Meru ni head on collision.
Bisa, ni head on. Hey, Martin, iboga kancho kenkatho no ntobombone na kanyarukire naru. Ankethi muthikiria na mutegeri kona chonde. Tugaga ni ntobao tuleaza. Na kambuki ya Martin ukore kirege kumuno tutumbite kina nyogwa atibonere muno nyas tueje ejete because to korea 3 imbito baku healed from even to a apart from rhetoric kana gutenga what else are we looking for and for nonto Martin kambuki dirikari impoka kairi nkuta miari ya Kireito the former governor ogaga kekizi menyate ya morano karandi groeterete koibanga komidana na it's quite unfortunate but to take the na nafasi to the turuzite nafasi. I think that the first one eri nara MPs but remain ko iron out issues chao erema karana ndini ni kwanza ma those endelea president reach out again the agent to kona MPs na governor patiko watandira buru patomba nyakwara rimbi pomba kuona from the executive. But Martin Kambuge the nature on the ituto achiendere Martin nonto itweri drama ikoneka na rimwe tukaga mtu akwira tutoendete kuona twer problem kuona thina zaza naja kwa unfold lakini nonto bokuthira tutuingwa tutikomenya tukuri ura tutura kura chetu icho mathina tukule Martin Kambuge it's quite unfortunate kiria tongeria beto batomba gwika differences chawa side kukana nde mugeni nejete nonto msoro kaga mugeni akikuja mwenyeji upona lakini anditha hizi Martin iko kuonekana jeka Ndiungeji tumba kuthorena matunda cha kijanirite lakini ndikanaga president na ukireka gita kamwera are ugaginya kethro putitethia Meru bona services au ensure for only non to bandurre benshwe tumire my own mechanism ko ensure antu beto pa Meru bakogoneka problem ko the reason ya wakuiza non to kora kareja ka the best rari kiembere ugitekeza ekaraja kairi president ateja na kutha kuna kumaka muno dia chinchia there was also time kwa karaja ka kukarateja lakini boka muno ntu bakwiza kiambere kuonekania we na wendo problem Meru true na agenda ya ni kuensure Meru beto pa kuona guniki lakini turiori imbio yongo tureteri non from the one go ito atengero into bibingi mono for example that's a question to koria teri na RUTO to ereti imbia kona to eri damu ithano ito barabara ito sibitare hope NARUA ejite ko deliver regardless of the issues that Meru ejite kuweza na commission program not it's a most near down the line mwaka jomo na nusu probably juthiri nande lakini Martin tueterete showdown siasa na ingoitikia probably anti we bangita ground probably ground ile kali na yomba kutuma batu tuka lose
kumanganira kure
diruri atri president ile uate babu kinya bare yako watanira woni nkatumira mechanisms chiakwari kuretera maendeleo. What are these mechanisms? Utuma PSS, utuma CSS na PSS?
True. Menyandu je at the end of the day Martin thina chetu executive ni nacho nonga kadatu murikana ya by the moment kejana is still aware of what's bedeviling a community now what the community wants na iketo mi probably at the one go ambirenya ku plan there is dam issues there is fertilizer issue na kuna president and intelligence yawe na inyakitha kureo even the individual MPs ibomba with a department issue because at the moment the president ejaga neither in a brief and what's really been be requested in be in the program kitu miyokona da tractor kila mali ichio changa ntorene in preparedness ya mheshimiwa non tukoria three no diment turetere imbi isi kana imbi turetere tiganiare imbi tigani east imbi baretere bore imbi baretere because you start from that side imbi yongorete ko president ageta to these areas neither a briefing ya kudhura problem from all the departments and agencies imbi yongwa irinara ko tutumba ko assume that president is not aware and atumba kudhura mechanism. I know individual MPs ibomba ku keria kusukuma their own need desire in respective constituencies lakini John the chika o mind kideja John the chika in respective departments ko president also receive a briefing irerete teketo mionare moyo president ya gwata barabara kinya what imagine Martin namba kodoraize therefore he is aware that from point A to point B point C neko didwa lakini ground bokodora ite the reality bokodora ni tibu ino to problem at ground ona kada mantu jambiririe au ni issues chedo chirio ikyo nandi onaga Martin akeja kugweta barabara fulani uganithiritwe ko idhiro and problem department is in edire lakini ground is a problem and iketho ida thina kiri the area MP non to atimuirite ou mantu zata akinyandira kulingana.
So now president yejete wo Mr. Eric. You know, we expected ati atongeria ba maybe ba karandi amwana governor, at least, you know, kuina kintu kira kitawa ceasefire.
Yes.
Nara Hamas Karimi UN neta cia ntukwe mo kana izire kana ithatu cia otendo ruare turenda ruare ni mantu ya humanitarian turete biokorea turete ndawa tuikiana baba ituto ba ndi hospitali hiyo siku utemtu obati kwa longe bomb utemtu obati kwa longe risasi kana bomb itawa ceasefire hiyo siku tunyamaziane tubwethe kintu kita humanitarian aids so tutirona ceasefire atongeria ba save for atongeria MPs or about trimanita. You know, we expected that atongeria ba kiranira at least into kujiri that to bakarende na governor betekaneri okay president inejite let's do this kuntu kunana kuna itu kwenda kina kunana kuna itu kwenda kina we have not seen that ioro atongeria badharakanithi Samiti ni ratimanite na baraite kiri president state house.
Yes,
we have never seen this in Meru. Ira ya atimaniro Nakuru. Iye yare ya ndoa
ya rakana
ya dhu nyanturuki.
Betre kwa differences chombere Rais.
I think we are batutu Meru tutite boga matin katuitikanire Meru itekariboga in terms of leadership raiku whether from the MPs kanani the executive county manzo itekariboga. Nonto katuke ma ikeja kwethirwa ibarendekete kuka difference chiao there is what there is persona tukaga kwina uko na Martin tumbuko tutikwendana but there is on an office people we hold for example the executive part nebati kwa represented when cake manzo zaje iko kwaniro lakini ugathikirire goro ajumbe pariuga the other previous day tingavana witite president ngavana nona ugire goro ikeja kwethoro ikaronso witipetite ndetikanino tubetere no lakini hiyo ni betene isi rato taco serious taco
that's a red alert
ara badiri bura bera kada hiyo kada karonzo poretite unde tikanire kino tipo adamire nada no ni betite
no ni governor
but I think the best thing is we have to respect the fact that the governor irrespective we have a problem with the persona ya issues chia temperament na kolema incompetent that office mheshimiwa governor Kawira Mwangaza hold that need to have a respect and either in the middle ya negotiating lakini tumbo kugatre muchemena kanatije he represent an institution.
Was that even necessary?
It was not necessary.
Na ikithe mkukwere nyabo bongoa the MPs it's unfortunate nyaka ndoereo nyabo but ready to hire on out this issue they are not ready to have on the table and probably for the interest ya mwananchi for this irari ko receive menyana ndithi karaje kuna supremacy battle between the ajumbe betu na presence ya president
but you know Eric mtu no churi atre chunge the top leadership babejete Meru the president and the deputy iba kumenya very well there is a problem ukathikira mutunga ugire atre president no ka MC he is the determiner of who is going to speak so clearly these people also understand there is
the problem
mtu ari uri atre chunge nikibakiri kabakiri Meru ikinya mwankana
that's actually outcome we card for us who to Thomas yes I ikaonekana na
to an extent
from the two age leka determine
exactly to an extent ichunge mtu arorere atiri yoro just hapa inje kirogine aragwire RUTO wako atwika atutunenkera thiri na inyakire maoni ya mwananchi tutikwenda nya maendeleo turienda at least some point to the peace for once
kambodi gudire kelimi what is that magical ni bibiu
magical
ni bibiu magical dose ira aturumia NARUA ataturumia ringi atongorie beibeti ni deputy president ni beti ni president na otengwa ataniro yoyona what is that magical dose ira karuta NARUA kena atongerie baba watanira come on we all know back to default
settings
bura ore
haiko kana tekuo
twachoka Mogadishu
kabisa au mara tu on Friday we dira magacho ndwene na actually
kijako kedo
kuna ndo NARUA
actually tuko na ndemanja MPF akakuganira exactly kuno kuona nye MPs bongo ibakuwa mama na kuibanga banga you know that's a red light itself
kinyo kithikira yoro kire nteto cheweru kwira no turabwithiritwe ni mukiri wa Mithika. Mheshimiwa Mpuru wa Bori na Mheshimiwa Jim wa Thwana barawire ati kuri kundi bibi bangi bya kuwira atongeria bara batikuwatanira na kawira. Mpuru arauga kwina MDF, Mheshimiwa Jim arauga kuri na officials ba county bakodilonga bakiora na Iranchobi now. So first of all, boni unto a big red flag ya tere atongeria baba batinya kuya kuwatanira
na kwina
president yete
oni kirambize kirantegete RUTO inyanenda kudrive. I know how to drive on that crisis. You know how to handle it. No kategera arari the other day Western kuna governor Mwarogiri bono but he didn't know how to manage that. I'm to very aije ku doma ground lekari na kamenya tu andu babari for the purpose kwagira onge bange ntoni nekeja kuthorwa kuboba kaugira tongire bange then it will happen too kwina u resort irio jora kwa karira automatically to amenyero kwa karira rale gitarira nini na president na Rais ile what happened
yenye kundiga chume ile kuga bado tutaizi
na kinya tha hizi ikeja kuthora ikethoreka na replica the two hizi probably president akethorena na changamoto inene muno na one outcome the 4 days kana tukuicho the president akethorera jojo probably akethorena na resort and kubanga Meru the way forward non to keja kutha tukenderea Martin na siasa hizi na disunity hizi then Meru twetekanirio tukio tukoona in the next 4 years. Second, president in the nyingi muno chakuado president in the chakuado even the mountain still gazeti nilogere there was an issue between Dinyoro and Gashagwa kinyana kwa kana tinya wageta kwa menya ikaraja the mountain has a problem not only nyeche to toboko ni was lakini ile ingicho ikarachio
baba Mogadishu ngoro.
Let me ask this Bwana Eric, you know president clearly akimenya ati kurina a big disunity county ne Meru na county ne etete kuria ntuku ithatu tintuku imwe 3 days akimenya kwina disunity ya no not of course kando na kwithirwa ati na kwirwa ni intelligence kinya tongere bibo mwira I am sure by now na kumenya governor atiko watanira na CS Linturi na kumenya governor atiko watanira na bunge na kumenya governor atiko watanira na MCAs without really accusing anyone in this, not even the governor, without kumwekera lawama. I think president na intelligence yonde maybe na rabati weta tongere bambere na yete kuno nto apera atire look guys tekwenda ibo muchamanene yakwa you buatane da ile stock imbibyo tukotete tekwariria kwenu you know I think na rabati weka muchamani prior ya muchamani you
I'm told so there was a suggestion or you before we tour we meet somewhere at the point actually kurario na there's a team yawe naja baratrimane but also there was a request that we the county executive patrimane before the tour lakini I don't know what happened mankadha is
mwanya
I know
bare
on the bare yes because tutumba kugatere tutomba kuga president governor Kawira Mwangaza atene muchemano ya executive he's our representative, he's the hand of county government go with all respect no etre non anontunya wengwa ata tutugati duri kana ati team to UDA or the party na free na jia free trekiri the ruling party go where I sit president na team yawe I agree with you my brother nonto it's very important go come nonto me arirere ka umira the first mtu anekroma career ne ka determine if success the tour the president because tokale kwa karo Martin kinyatu tutumba ku benefit out of it
because you know from where I sit Eric mchungu wa politics ni perception yani siasa ni bro kuona medho iki informa especially kire ndi na mbiche undironere ya tharakanithi atongere babo bonde baringi mbiche emwe na president yario you know kinya kwithirwa ni kurari na rwaria rwa ngania ati kwatana ngania na korona ngania kire mwingi bakuona okay antoba bakuwatanira. So I would expect the same ya atongeria ba Meru kinya kwethirwa say for example CS atethirwa ario but the political leaders bari ngwe bicha bare amwe and then now today would be a different day kire Meru but then status quo.
I think Martin tuetikanire tuna thina nene muno and I hope that tuweze ikareta solution nontu menya njije jange da try and error kugeria kuinga mama kugeria ku it was a try and error na to president. I remember there's a time kwa kuna consistent call ya president tuachie sisi tutatue maneno yetu na ndi president jo urenda abotigire thina chenu cha kinyamwi you deal with it. Yes na ndi problem ke jete kugathire uninda gereri obotigira jora bwambire na no ntubukolemwa let me handle it. Yes probably yes
ibon kwenda kuri weri kwethirwa kwina possibility ya president kiro aliro wake kuingilia siasa cha Meru kana might decide not to ambire India kura ya siasa chenu you deal with your problems.
I think Martin the best thing is na ndiro na bere the process tisa sawa na bati kuja ku clear that one request rembo bere lakini jakinyerera now give me time I deal with the problem ya Meru to the benefit mwananchi uro watutukire twinde from MC to the president.
But you know ta ground Martin nyoka forced kwariria for example yetu tekubangite. Let's speak of justice for sniper. Ugatega ngechonge kwina mbiche igusambazwa heshimiwa bagita mtu aripost mbicho anto bakandika justice for sniper. Meaning kinya ground for example igembe no bamu force maybe kwariria onto maybe atekubangite kwithirwa kyariria. Me I think still a meeting before the tour.
Actually, the meeting was iringi iron out man. That's on there. Kienda kuthora kuna plan ya Rwaria. Kinya kithatie onge imwecha mrejera trimana kinya president akinya for few minutes for a brief. Kidogo
or maybe our persona issue pia nonto ichonge no wito mchemano kwa nteta uni ntenda wita uni.
True. Ima. Ngomba kuthora.
Wa karimi ara umisiendi.
Andiro thina. Nikito kwira atongere betu ba respect the office they owed. Whether they have a difference with an individual order. Ito respect the position iranto by it. Whether MP, as long as you are representative of the people, remember also the governor is also a representative of people. Governor Nonaria he represents a certain fraction of member and abana inchi. Because they have to put their differences, their tone, in particular, tone yao ya kwaria, in particular, at least to the call a unity in respect kona development programs Jamir. On the end of the day, MP na governor no mwangaba itanire ngoge neki Martin. They are kuna barabara chia ile chidoro chianda the fuel levy in support of the MP. They are also barabara inge chia governor. No tunya sometimes MP na request a governor for kumudhiria barabara fulani to the benefit. Ikeja gorande kuna crash all over. Tutomba kudhura batu tukigundeka in any way. Kwa kinyari governor uga mtu na itengugirewe itiumbeka nawe as long as antoba mwe popo savo we serving the same people cutting across o baraba governor go serve no bo MP o serve Kenya MC no bo within the structure area within the frameworks ya katiba yetu. Ko why is it I totally agree it's very important for a briefing a michemanyo kibobonde ko at least ko inyaketha jwarema itotige ku problem yora mtu akaria niyo ground eka respond because as spectators kana bara tukoiro ne mafuasi kana mashabiki but respond to what atongeria bakwari they react once na to kinyabo bongo abakatha bomba ananchi bomba kuigwa na ndiko ina problem president has not addressed president aka forced kwa to address that issue that tukwarire ko tukona showdown in within few days irachejete na yomba kuthenya at a point of embarrassing atongeria kana kujia embarrassing the president na hope that atongeri baba bakari yake imbi president ejirite the politics part of it na succession can be in the na dinera chinacho then they have to sit down president na beke the gurunya kada ego suspend probably one tour bakare the gurumiro but at least they will iron out issues chamiro yes
you know Eric ndenda kuria atri for how long tukiendelea kuona this kind of mess kiri county Meru? You know, how long will it take? No, though it has really proven Ngwataniro is not really in our plans.
Martin, miaka hii iri dhatu tumbogozena dhinene mono if this two are president dito ina solution because at the end of the day no kinya president you also no batiko to a direction nyauro kudugania tukugeria the MCAs they have tried the legislative aspect of it to try and throw out governor has tried nyawa ku reach out to MCAs kulingana mtu meyao kulingana strengths chawe probably nya governor anagerete ku reach out to the MCAs or probably governor anagerete ku reach out to the MPs na ndiko ina mocho aju lakini kwenda mtu wekatekate na kiambere tutige chance stabbing kulinga kifua that no ninga akaraku for miaka mingi kana inyawo go kitikyo kyaku nombeje nya karomba see there's a problem no ndo emenya ne othina no ntunyaka u na olipinya nkoromba na agusinda akulinga tendil governor no area Rais MPs na boba Rais that still there's an executive within the framework ya county government president nagedia in this tour akarende guru nyare ma onge atwe kinyaya alema Martin it's sometimes sacrifices kinto ikega mono for the benefit if you may kedore na influence njara kona jate theka no probably the problem is one individual two individuals then also there is a sacrifice but kodithwo kodira at least kukam
for the sake of peace
the sake of a peace yes
at least
ningwetikia Martin tour eje I truly believe the tour ya president
kuna imani
dina imani niko na imani that president understand problem na Meru na nakwerawa the issues radio na itikinyeka the twambore tutigane story no mwanka ingire this time round yes if he doesn't then kinyaka though sort out mess ya Meru probably there is no need of even coming again.
Do you think he can really turn a blind eye na thina uchi Meru matwari maendeleo yake? You know circumstances might force.
Of course, president is a powerful man.
Yes.
But then kankori atire. Ankwenda kumenya atire. Unire nchacha mwewe nyo ekathiria mantu na ntukwe mwere. Nethiririe kiani nere mikuthiria nyumba baingilia mwere. Niriko.
But it's a working process. I think in talking about work, you know, when you ukateka ukana mesi yaso tumako tedoro wena cure ya instant.
Kana maybe the name media. You know, could be. You know, maybe kato kwa priority ndo ijipo nene Eric.
Martin, today media be it's give what people are speaking. We discuss the agenda. Probably atongere betako and then we give it a perspective. See, tokala komeari then we can't tumba and that is nyongo ya media true. I think oni bukaga backstops ya peace ya Meru the unifying factor is the current county executive unless eja Rais no whether kwenda peace endelea kana problem iendelea no kamenya whether nata ko balance because 29 MPs who represent different constituencies. But remember, there's a governor who represents the entire county, right? Go backstop whether NAKWAMBIRIA problem either. President Oga to tell there. We have to find out the 9 MPs are the problem, the MCs are the problem, or the governor is the problem, or the people. Probably, and then also the media probably. No either. So the tone of this conversation.
Kanya mwananchi ndio shida pia.
Kwenye mwananchi no the nani. Romkuwa lakini we have to find a solution ni mantuza zote. Na the area the better. We've wasted the entire mwaka Martin. Ututu ko benefit
close to 2 years.
2 years. Jojo ire. Financial year quite take the other day. There is nothing happening. Na people are still saying 10 bit a break wenge bakuga we no mwaka wite. No
so now
yes,
you know Ndiunga ya president yeyete a day you know ira ndo yikinya yara mite nkurukino ntore yoro utuko keinda kui deputy governor na uklimate ngarewe nira kamata wa ito tawa sijui wapi na are kiremera no ntubwera andu you know then kuni kuate mwanki yuri yongelwe mauta kinyankuruki tiando ira ci Meru. So how do we expect gwataniro yeya ore kutuika ati ontuko there is a new war either being created kana iko accelerate kinyankuruki
matinya mukubakia bono oni gwakwa ni itukorwa muthenya ntukuru tuko si tutiko mama matero ndigireni no mami nyo irizi uthi boko ri na ta gwakaro
ndio mogadisho
yani utuko mama no mwanga tukare turoga okay that's done utuko at least to nyato mami tunoki there are people even planning for others lakini Martin this is really unfortunate situation but it's what happening to probably most of the counties kuna inyagi tarimo governor mwe amwa nyombe county deputy governor nebati ko innovate innovate mwaka mzima term the 5 years ni kwa korangi yani kwa korangi yake bange ko nyangare tunyo for example what happened to it true this gari keretite kwa nare retite then deputy governor atithio na ngari yote lakini the best thing inguga backstops na the county executive office. I think governor hajakulia Rais that I plead now the nature on the nadhiri wewengwa because why do you have to manya this office as privileges
but again let us look at it this way Eric
can I probably even the other partner now has a problem no makatu beje to manyare the problem in where's the problem
woni mantu yangare actually me I have my reservations mantu yangare governor but again Cambodia Eric you know kinya kiri thirikari ya munya abunge batawatana irana governor kile thirikari kiraitu the same way abunge batawatana irana na governor why are we hyping this one so much ati nonto abunge bateko watana na governor na kenya ki previous regimes buku ithirito kukari why is this so much hyped
maybe last time bata affect maendeleo maybe
cause ukakuta batawatana it is the same thing
kambere kabuge uni nkuga 3 no receiving end or mantuzazonde who is receiving mwananchi yes. No uko dhore na thina but see who is the carrier or the entire burden king kucha ni chothe bano batutegera ikeja kuthira oni probably the executive na uko Martin nokuga oni don't recognize does it that change doesn't change that whether you ndaringirwe kinyake thote umpenda no tiri recognize ntepatinya karinyanke agio kana ogwe mimi nasukuma maisha na response maisha yangu na problem na sheria re pay Quran the county the best way I feel the moment now we start kuchokaniria kanywa and the mantuzau jakari ijo kuleta thina actually nyama mantuzau maingi Martin jara ni kuchokaniria kanywa igetumio kona we still continue hyping this thing ikeja kuthora governor atari restore ya MP baba rache madiri kwani iko nini president teze mukaribishe ni story ende lakini ndino tutunde tukwenda kwaria ni tukwenda kanywa kaka kanene that's the problem is and inkona jakato te benefit na tena odikane Meru ate benefit lakini there are people who are benefiting out of this yes people are benefiting people are benefiting out of this like serious in terms of inya resources requires there are people who are getting it out to get other different counties there are people even opportunities are here
mashabiki baraba kwera gavana ipo mutatera
and inya I think in every chaos na siasa there are people who are fueling it kwa baba ko fuel to their benefit unless people baraba ya kuplaya bako chedera muchedo na jojo bari Rais kwa baba ko benefit na to get storage at least we serve people for the next probably 3 or 2 years remaining nonto miaka ire Martin tigere nonto jojo ngeto kambiria kulinga siasa chia no ga succeed the rest
because I agree with you Eric Nontre you know Roterero governor na accuse MPs mantu ya sniper Roterero ngina ruo MPs neba kwa accuse governor nyanto banene for crying out loud is it too much anto ba kulinganira dimu bakarandi barania why can they do that
Madonna ta kuisote the gembe we
Because I mean,
Nentuba nene, noto tijonge, noto tije kwaonge. Now actually they have also have offices whereby you can just
of course
just kukoroka.
Either Eric Woni they very naive. Either they very naive kana ignorant. But untubo is nobody na click of a finger.
Na ina watu wakinyire tuambire ujoke siasa personal maybe
Because ukiakwithirwa gavana akaranthi rukiri rumwe kire rukiri rumwe aringire abunge bonthe kenda na women rep na senator abere we guys we need to talk.
What's the big deal?
The issue actually it's a big deal. Na ile mpogere the moment we ego ikenama we accept the fact we to do it to have the common mwananchi tuweke differences chetu cha persona cha thina chako na nje kwa ni kare let's meet for the benefit tukare ndikoro trimane na ingo itikia the only person who can urombo kuthite manzo zondere ne impridana governor ato ni initiative it can be an initiative that I'm going to kwa mporo tukare ndikoro mbite kwa kazanani tukare ndikoro kana tuitane tukenandere for the interest, for the demeaning here. Make we read together. Please, atu the tuna imbi ongwa egweti ketho te na ingeto na chori to let's try and sort out issues in Meru for the next muka miaka iri thatu kinyande bene tuite mtu aende pande za lakini nandere dinerero ntoboko throa we are taking politics personal tukanda ku insight our own the respective constituents that uninde ko tumena ko kumenonge na kumenana na kwendana it's not a problem thina yetu ni babu bukwatanire no ntutu abuthurire karatasi kara
tutagwe amana tutenda
yes no bitagwe
let us look it katolele na this other angle na that yetu ni kutira mishtairika
yes
again kinyatongerie baba angi abunge na MCAs kinyabo bena jukumu ya kwithwa kinyabo bechwa thiri. For example, the other day itonere former majority leader Mawira Karia aitakire governor. It would not take anything kinyamo bunge ukira rukiri rumwe aita kuringa governor rukiri. What's the big deal there?
But Martin, kuna response apart from being represented people, kuna responsibility properly way kiri atongera. Mewe mutongeria. Kuna responsibility way. For example, in context ya Mawira. Ntena problem with Mawira gwetana ke Kawira. Kuitana nyangoge. But there's that context that ogo mutongeria wa
majority.
A majority. Before even you make a move, you need to meet up. You make now clear that they ndo endera kinjira at a certain point hato negotiate how we can witirando bedo ngoge no to wako negotiate a structured negotiation approach.
Mawira was very clear atire woni itike majority kiejire nyuma ya ntuba mitongo bari opakura so mubunge watiania east akawatire whatever the position irambo bakwethura denio either kile caucus ya bunge ba that one does not really matter. What matters ni antobatia ni east bukira rukiri rumwe yeta karingira governor knock.
But you see Martin kuna caucus area ajumbe but this is a mandate ya Mawira nikipo tukoona mandate ya Mawira kutongeria majority the people the atongere babange no kare thirikari on this angle. There is no big KMPs, there's no problem. But for the structure, yani ni kumuita, the problem. Nyau aretere isawa, lakini atonga babange barondere nande no toko no letere no tratwira, problem no tuko mutongere. Ni ho kama titenya kiretikiki. No tatu menyare. Nande neke atauga ndeke ta korazimishire when you we mutongeria bona Martin the moment you decide to take a move we mutongeria you also need to take responsibility okay of course ito afirire na ito agwithirwe now it's about time we find a way of working formula na the executive to the benefit yeu ya mwananchi lakini the moment ukejotwira kairi korazimishirwe urengi ugare ambere korazimishirwe before inyo kamata yes tukamenya uri stand ya kuri it wasn't there.
Thank you.
I wish atongere betu patikwa honest. We need to be honest to ourselves. That baby ndoe on tukorwali is it really benefit mwananchi kana keozi kuo kuthraivero kana kuo kwenda tu athero theri nyatongire baba tunabonya bo MPs bakubati kuria Rais le no ndinya bawe na bobe bakarakarite kumya ka problem mingi mona kuitani na probably respective government ibatu tu iratere kebenya ko fuel the moment they start discussing an individual itu ke kando we discuss the institution irachirio I think for the benefit ya mwananchi.
Thank you Eric.
Thank you kwetu kutekiroria oni ntekiroria kwetu kutekiroria kute history iroria lakini kinya kukiotweka yani kinya kukiotweka which is 99.9% unlikely yangwatanira kuumbira kire Ndiunga ya ntuko ithatu Monday default settings.
Engwitikia Martin from this tour.
Only
imani that from tour is your president. Unless na tena no unless president wetu atina haja kuthiria the chaos. Zireje nyama problem is probably area so this to can understand nyawe na ko benefit out of it because the division yetu about that is benefit politically. But I wish for the interest ya mwananchi wa kawaida we must ensure that president apate ku ensure Meru ikuwa unity ile kuchokanira na issues cha persona na institution to respect for the benefit ya mwananchi.
The name media.
Yeah, the name media. you know Eric, finally.
Yes. Please time.
Okay, kiri now the real issues. President kuibia tureterete kana ni tutatenga tumetenga
iturogere kikeje te kutenga please tutigane atenge kabisa kedaje tutenga re sisi we are tired of
thank you Eric.